3rd December. We are having some activities from the students for Farmers Day. Let me call from class 3 to Hinanshu Ma'am. Yes, to Hinanshu.
Ma'am.
You are having what you can speak on.
Okay, ma'am. Today is the National Farmers Day. I am going to tell about farmers. In winter chill or summer heat, a farmer works so the world can eat. No farmers, no food. Let's salute the farmers on this great day. If you ate today, thank a farmer. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thank you.
Thank you, Kanna.
Thank you so much, Kanna. Let me call Subhansh Shenai from class 3.
Yes, ma'am. नमस्ते नमस्ते सबको राष्ट्रीय किसान दिवस की शुभ किसान
Thank you so much, Suryams. Ma'am, next student.
Yes, ma'am.
Pravantini, are you ready, Kanna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Very good morning to all. My name is Pravantini SK. I am studying in 3rd standard. I am going to say about Farmers Day. Happy Farmers Day to everyone.
Thank you, Pravantini.
On 23 December, we celebrate National Farmers Day to thank the farmers who work across the nation. If you ate today, don't forget to thank a farmer. Some more interesting points I like to say. A farmer is a magician who produces money from the mud. Without farmers, mankind cannot be progress at the end. Farmers is a backbone of the society. Thank you. Happy Farmers Day to everyone.
Thank you, Pravantini. Sri Rakshita, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna.
Happy Farmers Day to all. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Sri Rakshita. Sri Rakshita, keep your device back, Kanna. Your face, okay. Your face is not visible, Sri Rakshita.
We get clean food only if farmers.
Rakshita, keep your pad little down. Keep your pad little down. You are hiding your face with your pad. Yes.
Now, okay.
Proceed.
We get clean food only if farmers make their hands dirty. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Adia, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna.
Good morning to all. I am Farmer Adya. India is a place where there are towns, and the individuals who live in towns are the most part engaged with cultivating. About 60% of Indian populace relies on farming for its everyday work. Chowdhury Charan Singh worked towards providing a better life to the farmers. Farmers work each season regardless of whether it is cold of winter or the hot of summer. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Thank you, dear. Next, ma'am, Ranjit, ready? Ranjit, are you ready? Yes, Ranjit, you can proceed.
I am Ranjit. I study in class 4. Agriculture is backbone of our India. National Farmers Day, 23rd December. Agriculture is the backbone of our India. Agriculture is the backbone of our India. Government some important schemes and points in agriculture. Okay. PM Kisan Scheme, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Yojana, PMFBY, PKBY, PMKSY, National Agriculture Market, ENAM, Dairy Development Scheme. Our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, told everything we can wait, but not agriculture. Everything else we can wait, but not agriculture. Some class 5 students support me. Thank you, Anu. Thank you, Janani. Thank you, Ashita. Don't waste the food. I work hard for it. Don't waste the food. I work hard for it. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Jyoti Krishna, are you ready, ma? Yes, Jyoti Krishna.
shall I start?
Yes, yes, dear, you can start.
Good morning to everyone. My name is K. Jyoti Krishna, studying in class 5. National Farmers Day. Kisan Divas. Farmers are the backbone of the society. Farmers Day is observed on December 23rd across the country from 2001. Farmers are the spin of India. The day was chosen to honor the birth anniversary of fifth Prime Minister of India, Chaudhry Charan Singh. He was born on December 23rd, 1902. Chaudhry Singh said that through India resides its treasures. He introduced several welfare schemes for farmers and wrote several books on farmers and their problems, describing various solutions to improve the lives of the farmers and the nation. Chaudhry Singh followed the farmers' famous slogan of Lal Bahadur Shastri, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Shobita ma'am?
Ma'am, Suryam, he had some network issue. He's raising his hand once again.
Okay,
Just
okay.
confirm whether he is going to perform again.
Shubhansh, I gave you co-host option, ma'am.
Suryam Shanai. That is Subhan.
Shubhansh, ma'am. Shubhansh Shanai. He joined with his brother ID. Shubhansh, do you want to talk?
Unmute, Kanna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
go ahead. Go ahead. Start.
नमस्ते, सबको राष्ट्रीय किसान दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। किसान करता दिन रात प्रार्थना, इसलिए मिलता सबको भोजन। आओ आज मनाए किसान दिवस, करके अन्नदाता का सम्मान। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, dear. Thank you, dear.
Ma'am, Anbarasan.
Yes, ma'am. But he didn't listen. Anbarasan, do you have? Okay.
Start,
Anbarasan,
Kanna.
your voice is not audible.
He's in mute, ma'am. Anbarasan, unmute yourself. Unmute and speak.
In winter,
Stand in this direction. We can't see your face. Yes, proceed.
winter chill or summer heat, a farmer works so the world can eat. Happy Farmers Day.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anybody else need to perform means please raise your hand, Kanna. Avigna.
No, Avigna, she's no. Avigna,
Ma'am.
do you have anything to tell Kanna about Farmers Day?
Farmers Day is celebrated every year, 23rd December, on the birthday of the fifth Prime Minister of India. He is also Charan Singh Chowdhury. He is also the fifth farmers leader. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Shobita ma'am, if you want to talk, you can, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We call our beloved principal to share few words regarding Farmers Day.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sir.
Yes, madam. Good morning, all. So today at Narayana E-Techno School, Madanandapuram, we have observed the Farmers' Day, and many students have wholeheartedly performed the many activities, and many are dressed in the farmer itself. So this will be calling as Kishan Divas. On behalf of the management, I congratulate all the staff members of ECHAM segment for contributing a valuable suggestion. So some of the key important points, just 2 minutes I'll go through. Kisan Divas or National Farmers Day is observed in India in remembrance of Chaudhry Charan Singh, who was committed to the well-being of the farmers. So it is observed on December 23rd, the birth anniversary of Chaudhry Charan Singh, the fifth Prime Minister of India. Born into a farmer's family, Chaudhry Charan Singh was known for his farmer-friendly policies. He was the Prime Minister between July 1979 and January 1980. During his short time as Prime Minister, Chaudhry Charan Singh worked hard for the welfare of Indian farmers. He had introduced several welfare schemes for the farmers. The government in 2001 decided to mark Charan Singh's birthday anniversary as Kisan Divas. Kisan Divas is a day to remember the role of Indian farmers in the economy. Chaudhry Charan Singh played a key role in bringing the issues of small and marginal farmers to the forefront. He always fought and stood for farmers' rights. Carrying forward Sir Chotu Ram's legacy, he founded the Kishan Trust on December 23, 1978 to spread awareness about farmers' issues in the country. Just like Chotu Ram, Charan Singh championed the interest of oppressed communities and small farmers. In 1939, he introduced the Debt Redemption Bill to give relief to the farmers from moneylenders. Chaudhry Charan Singh was committed to farm sector and favored small and cottage industries. For his association with the farmers community, his memorial in New Delhi was named the Kishan Ghat. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Good morning to all. On behalf of a happy Farmers Day, Farmers Day to all the Indian citizen who is eating food regularly. So on this day, I want to show some field trip. So just a few minutes, whatever you are seeing. See, wherever you see, you can find some greeneries. In this greeneries, there is lots and lots of effort it was given by the farmers. I'll show you the another face of farmers also. See, whatever you are looking here, it's not a pond or lake. It's a farm field. It was get destroyed by the recent flood. So though they are getting failure in their agriculture, they are not stop agriculture. Still they are cultivating the food. Still they are cultivating the food for us. So we must give great salute to our farmers. So whenever you are wasting the food, please think that there is lots and lots of effort it was given by the farmer there. So in this new year, in this Farmers Day occasion, we all take a pledge. We should not waste the food. Even a piece of rice also, we should not waste the food. We should not waste the fruits and vegetables. We must share our food with each other. And save nature. Whatever we have, the nature has given lots and lots of renewable and non-renewable sources for us. We should not waste it. We must use it properly, because to producing the renewable and non-renewable resources, it's a very tough task. It takes lakhs and lakhs of years. Though the nature has given us a gift, we should not waste the nature's gift. So in this Farmers Day, on in this new year, we all must take a resolution. Henceforth, we should not waste the food. We must thank God for given food for each and every day. Thank you. Happy Farmers Day to all. Thank you so much, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Children, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, principal sir. Thank you, children.